like round the med.
Big time. Okay, so first night on the Galapagos tour, top of our boat. There's Nick looking out. Give me a wave, Nick. Hola, amigo.
Hola, amigo.
How are you finding the trip so far?
Guys, the Galapagos is the best place ever, and you bet you're so jealous.
Should definitely be jealous. So people's washing. And this is Santa Cruz Island. We're going to go down for food in a minute, and we've been looking at giant tortoises this afternoon because we've only just landed. And there's a really cool pelican that is on our boat, and I'm getting closer and closer and closer. Still not scared, however I am. Oh no, it's backing off now. Oh no, 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 nearly, nearly. I'm waiting for it to fly now.
So I walk up to it.
His name can be Percy the Pelican. Au revoir.